Hello students, welcome to the physical education class. Today we are going to discuss about the effect of exercise on our systems, and the first we are discussing that is cardiorespiratory system. Cardio means your circulatory system, your heart, and the respiratory means your lung related system. So cardiorespiratory system is a combination of circulatory and respiratory system, and this helps to provide oxygenated blood, means which carries the oxygen to the working muscles, that is during the exercise. And because of the oxygenated blood which is having the oxygen, they helps in working of the muscles and how they are being carried out, that is with the help of your arteries, arterioles and the veins. Thus it is the system which provide energy to the body during the exercise, and that energy is through the oxygen, that is the oxidation of your food which is being converted into the energy, and through the blood that energy is given to the muscles to perform their exercise or to do their exercise. So what the effect they are going to have? First is that is your hypertrophy of the heart. That is, with the regular exercise, hypertrophy means the enlargement of the heart takes place, and thus there is an increase in the stroke volume. Stroke volume means that was taken, the blood is being given through the ventricles in a one cardiac cycle, means that is one heartbeat. The next is the increased cardiac output. So with the regular exercises, the cardiac output is going to be increased. What is cardiac output? It is the amount of the blood pumped out in the 1 minute, that is from the ventricle, and it is a product of the stroke volume, means n multiplied by stroke volume by the heart per minute. Regular training increase the cardiac output, and thus more blood is pumped out from the heart for working tissues, and that will gives more of the oxygen, more of the energy, and that increase the efficiency of doing more of the exercise. Next is your resting impulse increase. With increased cardiac output, the basal heart rate decreases, so requirement decreases, the contraction decreases, the resting time of the heart increases. Therefore, the heart is not stretched and during the normal work. So the efficiency of the heart is going to be increased. Then faster adaptation to the working load. In the trained person, means who is doing a regular exercise, the heart can adapt to the working load quickly, that is quick adjustment of the heart according to the body need. Return of the normal pulse quickly. The pulse or the heart rate returns to the normal quickly after the exercise, and the body feel relaxed after some time. Increase in hemoglobin. The regular exercise, regular training increase the hemoglobin in RBCs, and will increase the hemoglobin in the blood content or in the RBCs. They can carry more oxygen, and that improves the energy flow as well as the efficiency. Decrease in the blood viscosity, that is your density. So blood viscosity decreases, that is the plasma content increases. Therefore, there is an easy and the fast flow of the blood through the capillaries, moreover faster circulation of the blood. Respiratory muscle, they become strong. So respiratory muscles, they become strong. We are having two respiratory muscles, that is intercostal muscles, which are present in between your ribs. Diaphragm, that is the platform, or you can say the dome-like muscular structure on which the lungs they are going to be rest. They become strong to work maximally for the longer duration, and thus helpful during the stressful activities. Next is increase in number of alveoli, and that is going to increase the pulmonary diffusion, means the exchange of the gases between the blood and the lungs. Through the regular training or the exercise, number of alveoli increases. Thus, the efficiency of the respiratory system is improved. So, in the trained person, there is a faster removal of carbon dioxide and oxygen attached to the blood, faster the pulmonary diffusion, efficiency of the heart and the lungs, they are going to be increased. Maximal oxygen uptake ability increase. It is the maximum amount of oxygen utilized by the body during the exercise. Alveoli efficiency improves. Maximal oxygen uptake ability increases. Thus, more oxygen reaches the working tissue for energy production during the stressful activities. New capillaries are being formed. Regular exercise develops new capillaries. This brings more blood to the working tissue. Thus, the efficiency of the muscle improves. Next is increase in the tidal volume. That is, with the regular exercise, the tidal volume, it is the volume of air inhaled or exhaled during the normal breathing. Means intake of oxygen out of the CO2 during the normal breathing, during the resting condition, that is known as your tidal volume. And the vital capacity is the maximum air exhaled after the deep inspiration. So, of the lung increase, by which more oxygen reaches to the working tissue. More oxygen means more efficiency. Next is the chemical composition of the blood improves with the regular exercise. The blood will have more of the plasma, RBCs, WBCs, thrombocytes, leukocytes, platelets, and thus the blood quality, that is also going to be improved. Faster removal of the waste. So there is a faster removal of the waste product from the body, which is better to defense against the disease and the germs. Reduction in the cardiac problem, that is the regular exercise that decreases the cholesterol level in the blood, reducing the heart attack risks and other cardiac problem. Blood pressure regulation, the balanced blood pressure is maintained with the regular exercise. Proper body temperature is regulated throughout the body. Faster healing, the increased circulation of the blood makes the healing faster. Therefore, the recovery from the injuries will be faster. So, resistant power increases. The regular exercise, they increase the resistant power, that is your immune power, that common health problems, that is cold, cough, asthma, sneezing, that can be prevented. Increase in the aerobic endurance. With the regular exercise, less amount of the lactic acid is produced and fatigue is delayed and endurance is going to be improved. Then there is improved metabolic system, that is reactions are faster for the energy production with the less consumption of oxygen, thus the efficient energy production. Then there is the hydro balance in the body. Water or the hydro balance in the body is maintained through the exercise and thus the dehydration can be delayed. The next system which is going to be affected by the exercise is your muscular system, that is they gain the strength. With the regular exercise, there is a gain in the muscular strength. Gain of the strength is a result of the thickening of the sarcolemma, which is the covering of the muscles. Then efficiency improvement as a result of regular exercise. There is an increase in the number of capillaries in the muscle. There is a faster circulation of the blood, thus it improves the efficiency of the muscle. This is your lactate threshold. Regular exercise increases the ability of the muscle to tolerate more of the lactic acids. So the accumulation of the lactic acid is going to decrease. Muscle fatigue is going to be delayed and this improves your anaerobic endurance. Next is your increase in aerobic and anaerobic endurance. It is a trained muscle has more aerobic endurance and therefore its capacity to work for the longer duration without the fatigue is improved. So proper shape of the body. Regular exercise provide the proper shape to the body, thus improving the physical personality. More improve the excessive fat from the muscle. faster recovery from the injury. Trained persons can recover injury very fast and they are having a less chances of the injuries. Emergency stores of the energy improves. ATP or ADP, which is known as the energy currencies, that is being formed in the mitochondria, which is known as the powerhouse of the cell. They increase, by which the muscle can produce more energy. They also increase the oxygen depth. Depth means they can store the oxygen for the longer time, and that improves your muscle efficiency. Desire strength development. Systematic scientific training can develop the desire strength. So the faster response. In the trained muscle, the stimulus travel faster, that is your nerve impulses, and the muscle action and responses are the faster. So they remain tone up condition, they remain in the active position, and they improves your reflex actions, and the body remain active throughout. Efficient use of the diet, that plays a very important role. If we use carbohydrate, protein, fats as a source of energy with the less consumption of the oxygen. Better neuromuscular coordination. Regular exercise improves the neuromuscular coordination, by which the various skills can be performed efficiently, economically, and accurately. So increase in the muscle mass, that is the regular exercise increase in the muscle mass, that is increase in the myoglobin content, which is having a more of the oxygen and thus controlling the weight of the person. So with this we have discussed the two systems which is being affected by the exercise. Their efficiency is going to increase, medical problems they are going to decrease. So the first advice by the doctor to the patients, or you can say the person who is having some muscular problem, who is having some cardio problem, so we should go with the regular exercises. So with the regular exercises, the efficiency of your heart, the efficiency of your respiration, that is going to be increased. So the effect of exercises on the cardiovascular system as well as your respiratory system, they improve the efficiency of our body, our muscles, and they can also help us to keep us more active. Okay, so by this we should advise everyone to have a physical exercise. We should have a parameter of the regular exercise, which will also going to affect our physiology, that is the working of our body. So our next topic, which is in your NCERT books, that is about the physiological effect on aging, that is being deleted out this time. So the next we will follow that is a concept of the sports medicines in our next session. Till then, stay home, stay happy. Thank you and have a nice day.